and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Do you know more than 78% of marketers are forced to pay $11,478 bare minimum monthly for managing multiple tasks of their business? And even after paying such a big amount, they're not satisfied with the outcome and looking for something better to manage their business. Now, just imagine what if you had a battle-tested artificial intelligence-based technology that helped you manage everything from a single dashboard and are always available for you 24/7, 365, and ultimately get an insane advantage over your competition for days, weeks, months, even years to come. Well, let me tell you that the biggest secret to all this is using artificial intelligence. Now, if you're thinking about why is artificial intelligence growing so rapidly, the reason for that is simple. Artificial intelligence promises to create stunning websites, build mind-blowing videos, create eye-catchy graphics, craft stunning marketing content and copies, gives instant customer replies, and much more by entering just a keyword with zero or very less human dependency. Yes, even if you're an established business honcho or just starting out in the digital marketing universe, artificial intelligence is the new granddaddy in the marketing universe, and businesses of all shapes and sizes can't ignore its huge worth at any cost. So if you're a product creator, an affiliate marketer, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone willing to fuel your business growth without wasting money or hiring expensive freelancers, without purchasing any complicated platforms, without doing anything yourself, or depending on expensive third-party subscriptions, I've got some great news for you today. Presenting AiI Wizard, the world's first and only all-in-one AI app suite that does everything. Create stunning websites, build mind-blowing videos, create eye-catchy graphics, craft stunning marketing content and copies, give instant customer replies, and much more from one central dashboard with zero monthly or yearly fees ever. Finally, even you too can say goodbye to 18 complicated apps and save $11,478 bare minimum starting today. Just follow 3 easy steps. Step 1, grab your copy. Step 2, activate. Step 3, use and enjoy. Check out some of its amazing benefits. First to market AI tech that replaces 18 complicated and expensive marketing apps. Use AI to create stunning graphics that attract 10 times more eyeballs hands down. Create mind-blowing websites and landing pages from just a keyword or URL in under 60 seconds. Instantly create 100% original marketing content for any offer in any niche in just 3 clicks. Smartly transform any idea into 100% fresh, audience-friendly images that get 10x engagement. Create Ultra 4K HD videos with just 1 keyword and convert random visitors into happy customers. Zero third-party dependency. Manage everything from one central dashboard. Save money on expensive and recurring marketing platforms that charge every month. Start your own profitable marketing agency business in 3 easy clicks. Get dedicated round-the-clock expert assistance. Grab premium bonuses worth $14,878 only if you act now. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included. Say goodbye to monthly fees or paying for expensive third-party platforms. No hidden fee or any extra expenses. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds, and tons of other benefits with your access today. And that's how AiI Wizard paves the ultimate shortcut to living your dream life. No more 9-to-5 job chores. No abuses from your boss. No more societal fear. No more deadlines to meet. No more financial obligations. No more bills to pay. No waking up to alarm clocks. And here's the biggest news. Now you can make even more profit by helping businesses with complete agency commercial license. Yes, with this premium commercial license, even you can make a cool passive income by giving these high in-demand services for your clients as well. Take my word. If you're tired of all the bullcrap going around and want to have a secured financial future, then AiI Wizard is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's fair warning. AiI Wizard will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get AiI Wizard for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.